Writing a class property name 3 separate times just to initialize it. TypeScript has a fix for that. Parameter properties let you declare and initialize a class member directly in the constructor signature. The key is adding an access modifier to the parameter: public, private, protected, or read-only. When TypeScript sees that modifier, it automatically creates the corresponding class property and assigns the incoming value. No separate property declaration at the top of the class, no manual assignment in the constructor body. Here's the contrast. The verbose approach requires declaring the property at the class level with its type, listing the same parameter in the constructor signature, then explicitly assigning it in the constructor body. With parameter properties, you collapse all 3 steps into a single annotated parameter. Add private before the name, and TypeScript handles declaration and assignment for you. The constructor body stays completely empty. Same compiled output. Far less source code. The main trade-off is explicitness. Developers unfamiliar with TypeScript may not realize a property is being declared just by reading the constructor. It's also slightly harder to set a breakpoint specifically on the assignment step. Some teams prefer the verbose style in public-facing APIs for that reason. Parameter properties collapse class declaration, typing, and assignment into one line using an access modifier prefix. Follow for more TypeScript deep dives. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.